As you can see, this bridge was exceptionally long and narrow, over half a mile long, only 39 feet wide. It lasted just 4 months. During construction, we see the steel girders, 8 feet tall, which were supposed to stiffen the bridge against bending. However, some up and down vibration was observed during the entire useful life of the bridge. Here's opening day. On November 7th, the bridge suddenly went into a twisting motion. The wind speed was a steady 42 miles per hour. This was enough to keep the bridge oscillating in one of its natural modes of vibration with a period of 5 seconds. A professor of engineering went out to see what had happened. He's coming back, walking with some difficulty, along the nodal line, which is the center stripe of the roadway. It's remarkable that the girders were this flexible. This is photographed at normal speed. However, a collapse was inevitable after a little more than an hour of this. The car had been abandoned earlier. No one was injured in the whole affair. However, a small dog in the car was frightened and was afraid to come out, and he perished along with the bridge. The bridge was rebuilt using a stiffening truss instead of girders. The new bridge is completely stable.